How to make money with cashback apps. Cashback apps give you money back when you shop. You can shop either online or in store. If you use them properly, you can easily make $20 to $200 per month. Firstly, you will need to choose the right cashback apps. If you go onto your browser and type in shopping cashback apps, you will find a lot of apps. Now you can choose more than one apps. After that, you can create your account and start researching on that cashback app. You can earn by clicking their link before buying something online, or by uploading receipts, or by using their browser extensions. To find out the extensions, I'm simply gonna type in browser extension and then enter your cashback app name. For example, I'm gonna type in Honey. Then you will find the extension for the browser. If you don't find it, then you can ask ChatGPT or other AI tools for the specific app. The best way to earn more is to stack cashback. Stack multiple rewards on the same purchase. You can use a credit or debit card that gives 1 to 2% cashback. After that, you can activate Rakuten for 5% cashback. Use a promo code for Honey. And if you bought groceries, then upload receipts to fetch. In conclusion, you will get 3 to 10% cashback instead of only 1. That's all for today. Thank you.